So I have a glow-in-the-dark puppet. Let's go and see. Okay, so I don't see anything. A little heart-shaped puppet. Yeah, I don't think you do. So you won. You lose. So 20 rated that you can't comment and ask if we have any fidgets. So yeah, bye everyone.